Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices and confirming compatibility. Get an iPhone, iPad, or Mac with current OS and update AirPods Max firmware. Once paired, open Bluetooth settings and enable spatial audio for those headphones. Make sure the audio source supports Dolby Atmos or spatial formats. Streaming apps often have a dedicated toggle. While you do this, make sure head tracking is turned on for dynamic spatial effects. These first steps make the rest work properly. Next, configure the content source and app settings so the spatial processing is used. In Apple Music or supported apps, enable Dolby Atmos or spatial audio per track or globally. Then choose AirPods Max as the output in Control Center so the device applies processing. If head tracking feels off, go to Accessibility Audio settings and recalibrate or toggle head tracking off and on. Make sure Bluetooth signal is strong. Interference can break spatial cues, so move nearer the source and close bandwidth-heavy apps. Finish by testing and refining until spatial audio matches expectations. Play a Dolby Atmos track or compatible movie and listen for sounds positioned around and above you. Once satisfied, compare with head tracking off to confirm motion-related changes. If cues jump or disappear, check fit. Sensors need a stable position, and restart both the playback device and the AirPods Max. If problems persist, repair the headphones, update firmware and the app, and retest. That single troubleshooting loop resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.